Push it this way. What are you doing? No, no, no. Don't push it that far. You're going to knock over her pictures. Come on the other side. Good girl. No, 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 no. Hey, stop. You're going to hit the speaker. Turn it around. Back it up. Good girl. You're so smart. Hey, are you supposed to be on the couch? Are you supposed to be on the couch? Why don't you come this way? Uh-oh, you're hitting that log. Turn it around. You gotta maneuver it. Good girl. You're banging into stuff. Come around to the side. Good girl. You're gonna hit it. Are you done now?